back in the barangay today. This is Pembo, Makati. Why don't you join me for a walk around? So this is that area of Pembo, Makati, seen from a bit of a distance. When I go walking, this is where I'm walking. That beats the mall any day. It's nice and sunny and breezy back here, but the flies are excessive. Kind of like a little side street, but off of the side street are the real side streets. Cheap spot to live near BGC. Family that pets tigers together stays together. Raiders, baby. Cool and unusual. Sorry, buddy. Wondering why it was so quiet on the streets today, and I stopped by this little spot here just to get a beverage, and I could see them watching TV. So they were watching the Pacquiao fight. So I guess that's what everybody in the Philippines is doing right now, except these guys. Man, I love these garlic peanuts. So a lot of these streets, as they slope upward, get to a point where there's stairs. And the stairs take you really into tight residential quarters. I don't think I'll be walking up there. It just kind of feels like you walk into someone's home. Even though there's probably, like, I can see the buildings. So there's definitely mazes and alleyways and different areas all back there. So a lot of little side streets. Sometimes I don't always go down them, but you can see also the brand new construction that's sandwiched in with it, you know. This one's got a whole panel of glass wall. Merry Christmas. It's only like 2 weeks away. Here in the Philippines, that is. Because it will be a Burr month. As I walk by the little homes, I can hear the broadcast. It's a sensational fight. Everyone's just inside watching Pacquiao. That's cool. Get some perspective as to exactly where I am. Yeah, it's super barangay back here, all residential, but you can see where I am. Hello. Despite the occasional rooster and dog barking, it's surprisingly quiet back here. But that again may be because everyone's watching the Pacquiao fight. Yeah, you don't see that Star of David a lot here in Manila. I was heading back. I just saw some more of the maze. And I said, oh, I gotta check it out. And now I'm lost. Which really isn't saying too much, because if you think about it, you could see how close I was to BGC, right? I'll figure it out. USA, baby. Seem to have stumbled on an area where people aren't watching the Pacquiao fight. So many areas to explore. I just gotta find my way home. Stopped to have a bit of a drink because it is crazy hot out today, and these nice guys hooked me up with some nice cold water. It is hotter than blue blazes out today, and I've been walking for a couple hours now, and you know what, it's just, I want to go back, chill, maybe get something to eat, but I really just don't want to be inside. I mean, it's a beautiful day. I'm gonna have to be inside all night because of the damn lockdown. So it's like, just being outside, it's nice. When I'm back here, I feel like I have more purpose, even if I'm just looking for things to take pictures of. And I don't feel alone. I mean, everyone's friendly. The guys offer me water. I'll probably see if I can manage it as long as I can. So in Manila, you can't really drink the water. So you have to have everything purified and ordered, pretty much. You know, they order these 5-gallon jugs and usually get them delivered, but when I was living in the province before, kind of like this, you had to carry it. And I remember going to the store and carrying one of those a couple blocks back to my place, and man, you don't realize how heavy 5 gallons of water is if you have to lug it a couple blocks and up the stairs. This is pretty cool here. It's like a tactical shop where you can get not only like military style clothes, but like scopes and knives and combat boots and cool bags. Oh my god, I love the bags. Say the stuff looks pretty fresh, and it certainly is. Very rarely I indulge in pastries, but one of my favorite pastry indulgences is Filipino bakeries. And never forget, guys, rice is life. The mini Pakwans, yellow Pakwan. I like that he's slicing the garlic. Thank you. You can see this area of Pembo, which is a stone's throw from SMR, is incredibly lively. The Palenkis are here. A lot of the little food kiosks are here. And of course, your regular shopping.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more content from the fabulous Philippines.